checking out the front end here. The entire front clip is wrapped in PPF paint protection film, as well as this lower splitter and the headlight housing and the hood vents. And then moving along to the side, this lower valance all the way down has PPF. Not the doors, not the quarter panel though. Side mirrors have film as well, and nothing up top. As far as imperfections go, looking here on the film, on this front bumper, you do have a chip in the film and a little scratch. It does not look like it damaged the paint. Just from looking at it up close, I think it's just the film itself. So it did a good job protecting it. You got another imperfection in the film here. Two small ones there. Got a little imperfection in the film here. Checking for any type of curb rash. That edge feels pretty nice. Getting down low. You do have curb rash starting here on under, but the rest of this looks good. And then right here on that edge, you can see some curb rash. I'll get that side in the sun so you can see it a little bit better. And then checking out this side, that does look good. Wheel looks nice. Fender looks good. Side mirror looks good. That lower rocker, like I said, has film on it. I don't see any imperfections on it. Now this section is very prone to little rock impacts, so you're going to have those, but that film's there to protect it. We do have one small ding right there. I don't know if you're going to be able to see that or not. And a small scuff. That wheel looks good. All this section looks nice. I'm going to flip the car around in just a second. Roof looks good. This paint is amazing in person. It really, really pops. Rash in the sun, so you can see it a little bit better. That wheel looks good. Like I said, the full lower side here has the film protecting it, as well as this section here. So all of that has full protection on it, even this section. You got the soft closed doors. This section, you're gonna have a few rock impressions, but overall it still looks really good with that film there protecting it. Quarter panel looks amazing. Wheels look good. I didn't see any imperfections here on the back side that stood out to me. Alright, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. I know it's hard to see these doors being angled like that, but they look amazing. Very, very clean. Checking out this kick plate area. We do have a few scuffs right there. Looking at that bolster. That looks really nice. That edge is very clean as well. Seat back looks good. Now you do have a couple wrinkles here from just everyday sitting. I don't see any other scuffs. I don't see any scratches here on the carbon. Top of the wheel looks amazing. Those buttons look good. Very, very clean here. Checking out the center console. All of that looks really good. I don't see any imperfections that stand out to me there. And checking out this door panel, it looks really good. Here on the kick plate area, checking out the leather, we have a few tiny scuffs. You can see those. The carpet looks amazing. Looking at that seat bolster, that looks perfect. don't see really anything that stands out as far as imperfections go there. Now it does look like something was sitting on this seat, so you're going to see these little round impressions. And then you have this tiny little divot here that's not a rip or a tear. Looks like something was just kind of sitting on it. And I'm imagining over time that will come out. Steering wheel looks awesome. Center console looks great. All of that looks amazing. Watching the dash there, you can see the top of it looks good. Floor mats look perfect. This side of the car is very clean.